Hi everyone, again welcome back in another video. So today in this video we will learn something new. So basically today we have a problem that we need to print the value of I in a single line. We need not to use any of the any of the string or any of the variable to store the data. So to tackle this, normally the peoples will do, they will take a variable and they will push or add the variable to that string. Correct. Now if I show you the output here by doing console.log, what do you think the output will be there? I will do I and I will run. Okay, wait. Okay, can you now you can see here I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These should come in a single line instead of getting these in printed in a new line. So in a JavaScript there is one basically way to print this in a single line. So JavaScript provide this. So we can simply write a process dot stdout.write, and now here we need to provide the I value. So now why we are doing the parenthesis? So so that we can get a space between the values. Okay, now if I run this, now you can see I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means that by doing process.stdout.write, we can print this in a same line instead of getting printed in new line. So that was all in this video. We have learned something new. That's all. Thank you.